everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my current hair care routine. It's changed a little bit since earlier. I have added a few more supplements. I've been trying out a few more products and a few easy daily steps that you guys can use to promote healthy hair. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So firstly, the product that I use pre-shampoo is this hair oil. Now this hair oil I made a couple of months back. I have done a full-fledged video. This hair oil is inspired by Luke Coutinho's recipe. I will link the video in the cards and also in the description box, you can see it. This has coconut oil, mustard oil, methi seeds and a couple of other things, and it's all put in this glass bottle and it's left to sort of soak together. I apply this once in 2 weeks. I don't like to put too much hair oil because then you use extra shampoo to remove the hair oil, and I think that makes my hair really dry because I have a lot of color. So I do this once in 2 weeks. I just take a little bit of it, heat it up, apply it on my roots, and then really go in and massage really well so it increases the blood circulation. So for shampoo, I'm using the L'Oreal Mythic Oil shampoo. Now this has argan oil in it and it's quite thick and transparent in consistency. It cleanses the scalp out quite well. This is not sulfate free. I'll not suggest this to somebody who has fine, thin hair that gets greasy and oily really quickly because it is a little heavy in texture. I wanted to try this out because this has argan oil, so I thought it's going to nourish and moisturize my dry hair, and it does a decent job. It's nothing extraordinary, but it is very okay, and I'm decently happy with the shampoo. Next up, we have conditioner slash mask. So for you guys who have been watching my videos, you all will know I only use a mask as a conditioner because dry colored hair. Kérastase masks have always worked very well for my hair, but these are on the pricey side. There are a couple of affordable options as well. I have spoken about the Wella Color Motion mask, which is absolutely fabulous, and it's at 1/4 the cost, but it really nourishes and hydrates and smoothens dry knotted hair that's colored like mine. And then there's another one by TG. It's called Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. I will be putting screenshots on the screen so you guys can see which one I'm talking about. I take this on my palms, I apply it on my mid-lengths to ends, leave it in for about 4 to 5 minutes minimum, and rinse it off with cool water, and it works brilliantly well for me. So yeah, this is the conditioner, sorry, this is the mask I'm using and I love it. So next up is this wet brush. This is basically made to be used when your hair is wet. I wasn't sure if I should tell you guys about this because you are not supposed to use or detangle your hair or use a brush when your hair is wet because it is at its weakest stage. So if you're having hair fall, breakage, if your hair is weak, do not use any sort of brush or to detangle, just skip it. But I use this sometimes, so I wanted to show it to you guys. If your hair is normal, like it's not falling or breaking, you guys can use something like that to just detangle your hair so that you get rid of the knots and your mask or conditioner spreads evenly on your hair. So what I do is I just hold my hair like this, so there's no friction or there's no pulling on the root side. I hold it like this and then I'll just detangle the ends very gently, and the brush does help in lesser hair fall and breakage compared to any other brush that you would be using. Okay, so the next step is using a good serum. I never skip this step, and I will highly suggest everybody use a good serum. Pick a serum that is suited best for your density and hair type and what your hair concern is. I have always used a serum that is a little bit thick because my hair needs that sort of nourishment, moisture. But using a serum is very important because it seals your cuticles after your wash, and it also adds a protective layer on your hair that protects it from environmental stuff like there's pollution, there's dust, there's moisture, there's humidity, there is UVA and UVB rays. So a serum is like adding a sunscreen on your face. So definitely use a serum. I'm using this by Kérastase Elixir Ultime, really nice. I also like the L'Oreal Extraordinary Serum, which was very nice, but I'm using this right now and I'm quite liking it. So as for using weekly treatments, I'm using the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. It's for all hair types, repairs and strengthens. This is how it looks. This is not a conditioner, it's a bond builder. and the small little bottle is quite power packed. So how I like to use this is I shampoo my hair in the night before going to sleep. I don't condition. I remove all the extra water. I take a good amount of this, apply it to my mid ends to ends. If I feel my hair is fine, I'll just detangle it a little bit, wrap my hair properly, and then sleep and leave this overnight. I use this as an overnight deep conditioning treatment. But behind this, you can, they have suggested you can leave it in for a minimum of 10 minutes and just rinse it off. And then if I need to apply conditioner, I do, which I don't really need conditioner usually. So you can if you want to. I rinse it off and I apply a little bit of conditioner, and that's it. I use this as an overnight deep conditioning treatment. Okay, so now coming to supplements, which I think is more important than anything that I showed you right now, because I truly believe that skin and hair is made up of what you put inside. The strength and vitality of your hair really matters on your diet, and I know it is difficult for us to maintain the optimal level of diet that your hair and skin needs, and that's where supplements come in. Okay, so first off, biotin. So biotin is great. Every time I have felt my hair is feeling weak and it's started to fall, I always add biotin, and biotin has always worked very well for me, and it is one of the ingredients that stimulate hair growth and makes your hair stronger. So this is Health Aid Biotin 10,000 mcg. I have been using Health Aid products for a while and they're fab. Then I take Daily Multivitamin by GNC. It's supposed to be a really good brand. It has 32 essential ingredients. A multivitamin with all your essential vitamins that you need for your body is very important. So add any company ka but good multivitamin supplements into your daily routine. Now this is GNC's fish oil. I recently started using this omega-3 supplement. Very good to keep your skin really supple and your hair really lustrous and shiny. So I'm using this fish oil. All the product details will be in the description box, so you guys can check it out. And then of course vitamin C if you want great skin and great hair. This is the Pure Nutrition Vitamin C. This was 500 mg. Yeah, I wanted 500 mg ka vitamin C every day. But adding supplements to your diet for good hair and good skin is very, 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 very important. So the last tip, this is like a little exercise you can do for your scalp, is to increase blood circulation. Just take your hands, nothing on it, and just go in circular motion like this. This is to increase blood circulation directly on your root area, because that is where healthy hair, strong hair grows out from. So just massage all over, and I think this will really relax you as well. Do this for about 4 to 5 minutes. So that's about it for my current hair care routine. It is quite doable. It's not very complicated. I believe there are not too many steps or too many products, and you'll be seeing more of me regularly. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.
And if you guys liked my video, then do check out more videos like this on the Amazon app.